Hi, it's Brian Jessen with Wintrust Mortgage. I'm here with
Celeste Barr with eXp Realty in Illinois.
and we're going to talk about the power of having a good team behind you, a good real estate team. And Celeste, what do you consider a good real estate team? What are the members of that team?
So we always have to discuss with our clients, they're going to be needing certain people that are in certain places on that bus. And the bus is their process. What is their buying process? And I always start with a really great lender. I know everyone needs one, but I want to pick one with my client that is going to get the job done.
Please select me.
And also offer opportunity for my client to do something that maybe they're not even aware of. Most people are very focused on the wrong thing. They should be thinking about the whole team. A good lender, a great inspector, and an excellent attorney, along with a wonderful realtor, can make the experience so smooth.
And you can see, like, when I get a contract from Celeste, I look at the people that are on there, both realtors, both attorneys. When I see the names, and I've been doing this for quite a while, when I see the names, I go, these are all really solid people. I can't kind of do a sigh of relief going, everyone that's been selected is excellent. Or sometimes you see somebody like, uh-oh, that could be an issue. That's been an issue in the past, and obviously I can't change people's minds on that. It's not my job, but you can just tell the transaction might be a little more challenging because of some of those players in the deal.
Absolutely. So thank you for understanding that we are anxious to work with you. We would love to have a chance. If you want to just reach out to us, our information is in the description below this
and we're
video.
both kind of going to consult with you on the front end, so those other professionals will come in as needed as the transaction progresses.
Great. Thank you.
Talk to you soon.